Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you the tensical structure for present, past and future. The listener, we have three persons. First person singular, first person singular, I and we. First person singular and plural. Second person singular you, second person plural you. Third person singular he, she, it, and third person plural they. The listeners, now listen. I write a letter, we write a letter, you write a letter, you write a letter, he writes a letter. We add s with the third person present indefinite. She writes a letter, it writes a letter, they write a letter. That structure is subject plus V1 plus object. Now we change this into past. I wrote a letter. Present, I write. We change write into second form wrote. I wrote a letter. We wrote a letter. You wrote a letter. You wrote a letter. He wrote a letter. Not a writes, because he writes, and in past he wrote. He wrote a letter. She wrote a letter. It wrote a letter. They wrote a letter. Then we will move to past. In this future, I will write a letter. We will write a letter. You shall write a letter. You shall write a letter. He shall write a letter. She shall write a letter. It shall write a letter. They shall write a letter. That means the structure of present indefinite is subject plus V1, say past subject plus V2, and future subject plus will or shall plus V1. Okay, my dear. Now I make it very easy for you people with the structure. Regarding tensical, we make positive sentence, negative, then interrogative, then interrogative, negative. I give the structure, it will become very easy for you people. So I will read for you, then you will see it on the page that sir is downloading in the PDF form. So positive is I drink. It is negative is I do not drink. Its interrogative is do I drink. Its interrogative is do not I drink. The I drink, if here is he drinks, then we will write he does not drink. Does he drink? Does not he drink. Then is past. I drank. I did not drink. Did I drink? Did not I drink. Then is I will drink. I will not drink. Will I drink? Will not I drink. Then is continuous or progressive. We are drinking. We are not drinking. Are we drinking? Are not we drinking. Or if we write he is drinking, he is not drinking, is he drinking, is not he drinking. Then is it is past of continuous. That is we were drinking, we were not drinking, were we drinking, were not we drinking. Then is future, we shall be drinking, we shall or will not be drinking, shall we be drinking, shall not we be drinking. Then is perfect. You have drunk, third form. You had not drunk. Have you drunk? Have not you drunk. Then past, you had drunk. You had not drunk. Had you drunk? Had not you drunk. Then future, you will have eaten. You will not have eaten or drunk. Will you have drink or eaten? Will not you have drunk or eaten. Then is perfect continuous. He has been eating or she has been eating. He has not been eating. Has he been eating? Has not he been eating. Then is past. They had been eating. They had not been eating. Had they been eating? Had not they been eating. Then is last one. They shall have been eating. In future, they shall not have been eating. Shall they have been eating? Shall not they have been eating. These are the tensical structure of the tense that I have already taught you. My dear, see this page fully. The structure, it is very easy if you understand it your language and the English will become easy for you people. This is the structure. Read it carefully and with concentration. This was a tense structure of tenses: present tense, past tense and future tense, with positive sentence, negative sentence, interrogative sentence, interrogative negative sentence. Inshallah, the next topic will be narration. Hope that you will understand it and do it very carefully and easily. Have a nice day. Khuda Hafiz.